Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a delicious rainbow cocktail. Let's start drawing. I draw a glass at first, like this. Then I draw a straw in the middle. Now I draw the liquid into the glass. I draw some lines because this is going to be a rainbow cocktail. Now I draw a slice of lemon on this side. And an umbrella on the cocktail here. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the rainbow colors for our delicious cocktail. I start with red. Then I use orange, yellow, light green, blue, and purple for the background. I colored the straw with pink. For the lemon, I'm going to use 2 different shades of yellow. I colored the umbrella with the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. For the glass, I use light purple and pink for the bottom. And I use this light blue for the top. Bravo! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.